Look, let's skip the standard internet games. You did not find this video by accident. In actual fact, you searched digital marketing side hustles with no product creation, and that is exactly what we will be covering within this video. Hi there, my friend. My name is Errol, the owner and founder of Empire Digest. And the thing is, you want real money. You don't want the headache of dealing with customer support or product creation or anything of the sort. Now, I'm going to share all of these things with you and how you can bypass all of this. But before I do, let me share some results with you. And before we move on, let's drop the ultimate trust anchor. Most people online show you rented mansions or fake luxury. I don't care about that. Look at this verification on your screen right now. This is a real post from Manuela Vincent inside our member space. A clean $1,400 transaction came through in a single morning while she was just setting up her email, my friend. The system handled the sale and the delivery instantly. That's life-changing for a household, right? This is the power of a system already built for you. Because you showed up looking for clarity, I'm not asking you to buy the basic guide. I'm handing you the entire asset package for free. This is the Freedom Formula Blueprint. It walks you through leveraging an automated system to generate income without the corporate headaches. If I sold this right now, it would command a easily $997 price tag or even more because of the direct response systems inside of it. And you are getting this complete PDF delivered to your inbox today. There is no catch. You can actually physically download this PDF. And you appreciate when someone gives you real value upfront, right? Now let's set a ground rule. Yes, you can click that first link in the description and download the blueprint right now. But warning, if you download it and turn off this video, this blueprint will be of no value to you because you need to understand and you need to see how to make use of this very same blueprint that I'm giving to you for free right now. And that means that you need to stay locked in until the very end of this video so that you can see how to deploy it right here, right now, starting today. Is that a deal? Let me tell you the real story. I grew up as one of 5 kids in a tiny 3-bedroom house. I spent my childhood watching vacations happen from the sidelines. We were not fortunate enough to go every now and then on a holiday, on a vacation like our family did. Riding motorcycles, riding boats, all those things, and that hurt me as a child. When I grew up, I fell into the same trap. I worked soul-crushing hours staring at a blue laptop screen at 2 in the morning in my silent house. I felt this heavy pit of guilt knowing my family deserved better. That pressure forced me to turn online, and I found an automated mobile blueprint that assisted me in generating multiple income or multiple figures online from the comfort of my own home around my family. And I want the same for you. I don't know where you are right now in your life, but I do want to tell you that there is a better way. And before I pull back the curtain on our whistleblower secrets, let's do something unselfish. If you're getting real value from this breakdown right now, just take 2 seconds, hit that like button and hit the subscribe button right now. This isn't about me. It tells the algorithm, it tells YouTube that this information is real. It helps this video rank so it's get discovered by other parents, other individuals, other entrepreneurs, other viewers just like you who are drowning in that same silent financial pressure. Also drop your income goal below. What is it that you want to achieve with this video and why are you watching this video right now? And I'll personally reply to you and let you know how we can change that together. Now let's move into our whistleblower expose. The industry operates in the dark to keep you dependent on their tools. The first trap is the traffic grind. They tell you to buy cold ads and act like a fool, posting dozens of dancing videos a week just to get a click. It's a massive trap. You burn through savings trying to figure out tracking pixels while ad networks print money off your stress. Real leverage means using a pre-engineered attraction system that pulls in high intent search traffic for zero cost. That makes total sense, right? Secret number 2, the multi-tool subscription extortion. Software companies intentionally fragment their tools. They want you to buy a page builder, an email service, a hosting agent, and a checkout script. By the end of the month, you're looking at nearly $300 in recurring fees before you've even made a single dollar. It paralyzes people. You shouldn't have to take on that liability. True efficiency means deploying an all-in-one consolidated framework that handles your page and delivery under one roof. The final illusion is the low-ticket affiliate trap. Platforms tell you to sell a $100 item for a 5% commission check. Do the math. You have to secure 100 transactions just to buy basic groceries. It's a fast track to giving up. Look at the data on the right. With the digital asset model, you keep 100% of the profit. One sale drops $1,400 straight into your bank account, my friend, whether it be $100, $300, $600, $900, or even $1,400 commission, straight up to you, 100% profit. You don't have to pay anybody anything of that commission. Working smarter is definitely better than working longer, right? Now, let's look at the trade of leverage major companies hide behind paywalls. First, the digital licensing loophole. Skip product development, acquire distribution rights to pre-built assets to keep 100% of the cash. Second, the two-page grid. You don't need a massive website. The system runs using a simple capture card and an integrated checkout script that works 24/7. Third, the cellular pocket system. Route organic traffic straight into your funnel without you ever speaking to a customer. That's a total breakthrough for free, isn't it? This is the most logical step. You don't need to manually hack software together. The entire framework is mechanized inside the legacy builder vehicle. This isn't a high pressure pitch. It's an automated machine designed to execute the strategy we just mastered. The infrastructure is handled, no product development, no inventory, no service logistics. You're turning on an engine pre-optimized to process sales and lock in full profit margins. It's the ultimate speed vehicle for parents who need immediate relief. If you're wondering if this is a fluke, look at the proof. Michael Lindsley Jr. pulled in $900 while at his son's baseball tournament. Lulama locked in $300 while chilling at a car wash. Tandeka secured a sale entirely remote. You're not alone, my friend. This is a global movement of 60,000 members. Let me drop out of the slides to show you in real time activity inside our school community and the dashboard. Check this out quickly. So just to show you quickly, I'm logged in within the main community. As you can see, that is my profile picture right there. We are over 60,040 members at the time of me shooting this video. And then what I want to do is I want to head over to the community, and then once inside the community, look at this, clicking on the wins tab, and then I want to filter this to the latest posts. You can see this was posted 28 minutes ago, 4 hours ago, 4 hours ago. Now these are all wins, verified results, verified wins, verified by admin in the background to make sure that the results being shared are not anything fake, because that gets removed immediately. Now look at this. Gerda Prinsloo, she made her very first sale. Yippee, I made my first sale. I'm so grateful for this. I thank God for this blessing. Now, to show you, my friend, that you are not alone with this process. You are not alone with the system. You are in actual fact part of a community of over 60,000 members making use of the exact same blueprint that I have just given you, the Freedom Formula Blueprint. And right here, here's another one. Shelley Dotson, if that's how I pronounce it. She made another $600 sale to wrap up the night. That was posted 13 hours ago. Here's another $494 posted 15 hours ago. Another $100 posted 18 hours ago. My friend and I can go on and on and on and share these results with you. Right now, there is over 36,000 pages of these results. This is mind-blowing, is it not? Now back to the slides. I want you to pause this video right now, read this disclaimer, and let's continue along. So we've reached the final step. It's time to stop watching and start setting up your asset. Click the first link in the description right now below this video. It's called EmpireDigest.com, and then follow along, enter your email address. Once you hit the submit button, your $997 Freedom Formula Blueprint will be delivered straight into your inbox. Now, I want you to check your promotions folder and make sure to check your spam folder. It might take 1 to 2 minutes before you receive that email. You will also find a bonus invitation to join my private VIP community, which is community.EmpireDigest.com, and you will have full access to our entire network, so you never have to do this alone, my friend. Click that link right now below this video, claim your Freedom Formula Blueprint, and let us build your empire together.